To give you a little bit of scope of what we do, this happens to be a Hendrickson walking beam bushing.
Okay.
We also offer an entire line of product for Class 7 and 8 vehicles and medium truck as well. And this is a Fruhoff equalizer bushing right here.
Okay.
This is the Hendrickson walking beam bushing again, and again, now we've got torsionally free pivoting parts here. This will allow the suspension to work and not fatigue the materials.
Those have to be pressed in?
No, sir. That's another thing, is the old bushing has to be pressed out.
Oh, yeah.
But it can also be cut out with a torch or what have you. Now, to install this, no, you can install this because by hand, it's two-piece. You merely drive in the two halves. You use a lubricant that we supply, and then with a mallet, you drive in the center sleeve.
That's going to be very, very popular with my customers because changing out suspension bushings is one of those jobs that absolutely no wrench wants to do.
And in this case, it normally requires special tools from the manufacturer, from Hendrickson, plus it requires that you have a 100-ton press.
Yep.
So nope. And then again, we've got torque rod bushings for everything, for all the major manufacturers: Peterbilt, Kenworth, Freightliner, and once again, can be installed by hand by the end user at a fraction of the price. A normal torque rod from the dealer is somewhere in the neighborhood of $100 to $125 or more.
Yep.
A pair of bushings to rebush it and reuse the existing components, which are completely reusable, is less than $30, $40.
That's amazing.
Absolutely, that's what we try to do. We try to, on the heavy truck line, we're trying to cut down your cost per mile of operation. The performance side, we're trying to give you something that's going to give you a leg up on your buddy. It's going to get you up the hill faster, it's up quicker, it's going to get you off the line faster, it's going to give you more driving pleasure. The heavy truck line is designed to cut down on your tire wear, because by having the integrity of the suspension, it's going to maximize your tire wear as well. And as any heavy truck driver or fleet owner or superintendent will tell you, is that their concern is all about tire wear and suspension and keeping that vehicle on the road. And that's what we do.
Well, just a few minutes ago when we were setting up, you mentioned that you also do buses.
Absolutely. We have been involved with the transit industry for going on probably 20 years now, and we supply a lot of OE parts to companies such as Mohawk and to MCI Bus, Prevo, and others. And yes, what we do is we attack their problem areas. They come to us with problems and we solve those problems. That's what we are. We're a problem solver. Every part you see here and every part we've ever made was done because somebody came to us with a problem or with something that needed to be addressed.